汝gīn-sîn的人住伫喘氣的時陣，汝gīn-sîn的人住伫喘氣的時陣。汝 means you, gīn-sîn means hate, 人 means people. gīn-sîn的人 means people you hate, so 汝gīn-sîn的人 means someone you hate. 住伫喘氣，喘氣 means breathe. 住伫 means it's like the ing in English, and it means that someone is doing something right now. For example, 住伫看戲 watching movie, or 住伫看冊住伫讀冊 reading a book. And 的時陣 means when. Its usage was similar to 的時候 in Mandarin Chinese. For example, when I want to say when I'm watching movie, 我住伫看戲的時陣. Or if you want to say something like when I am reading a book, you can say 我住伫讀冊的時陣. But of course, you can also say something like when someone I hate is breathing, 我gīn-sîn的人住伫喘氣的時陣. Okay, so that's how we use 的時陣 in Penang Hokkien. Okay, so as you can hear, the dog is barking at me, so I'm obviously the person he hates very much. And I think that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.